2016 Toyota Venza, replacing oil filter. Pull this old one back out, and it does small rubber here. You have to pull this rubber out. You can use the little tiny screwdriver. Use the tiny screwdriver, pull that rubber out. Now we have to open the new one. This oil filter number is CCH9972. Its brand is certified. It depends the brand, but it's sometimes different. This is rubber, new one. I have to put here. Just to make sure, supposed to be sitting the last one, and slide this filter on, push it. This is ready to go back. I have to line it up by hand and then tighten it with ratchet. This is oil filter done. Add everything back. If you have a brake cleaner, you can use it just to clean it around. Don't leave the oil in the run. Second step, we're gonna drain the engine oil. You need the number 14 socket to open the engine oil pan drain plug. Unit number 14 socket and ratchet to open the drain plug and the just to make sure oil pan under the engine, drain oil, and check the dishwasher. If it needs replace it. When oil drain it's done, you can put the drain plug back just to make sure it's tight all the way. Here's the ratchet to tighten it. Okay, don't tighten it, over tighten it, and wipe it everything. Don't leave oil here. Okay, now we drain the oil, we change the oil filter. Now you have to open this cap. You can see cap is say this is this engine needs 0W20 SAE 0W20 oil. Open that, put the funnel here. You can use the what brand you want, but I'm using the AMS oil. AMS oil is best one, SAE 0W20. Just to make sure this is for motor oil. You have to use the 5-liter for this car. Put the oil. This is the last one. Just to be careful, don't flood it in the... When you're done, you have to check the oil level on the dipstick and make sure this is dipstick. You can see the maximum and minimum. Supposed to be between this or on the maximum. We can see above the maximum, but I have to start it. Now oil filter housing is empty. Supposed to be started. Oil level is gonna go down, and then after start I have to check again. Probably needs to top it up a little bit more. Put the cap back, stick on, and we have to start it, leave it, run it for few seconds, it's 30 seconds, and then check the oil level. If it's good, you're done. Now I start the car. I have to check again. I can see it's between minimum and maximum. It's in the here. It means need to be topped up more. Okay, I top it up a little bit more. Put the cap back on. Don't forget this cap. If you leave it on, it's gonna spray the oil all around. Now I can see oil on around the maximum sign. That's it. Oil change done. Usually all the car is same, just design is different. Thank you.